Hello everybody! This year Nabtesco Precision Europe is celebrating its 13th anniversary. In the last 3 decades we have been able to achieve a number of milestones. And if you are interested, we would like to show you now some insights. So follow me and enter the world of Nabtesco.
Warm welcome to Nabtesco Europe. Enjoy the facility tour and get some impression from the daily life of our team here in Düsseldorf.
We hope you enjoyed our little room tour. For more information, please take a look on our website or follow us on LinkedIn. Goodbye, see you.